Today, we will introduce Great K2's washable label material. It can remain the same even after multiple washes. No ironing, no sewing, just peel and stick and apply directly to fabric. It can be used for uniforms in office places, as well as for daily children's clothing or classification requirements. To test the true performance of K2's washable clothing label material, we put the label through 30 complete wash cycles. This label material also delivered an excellent answer. No fading, no peeling, no compromise. Washable clothing labels are perfect for daycare apparel, hospital bedding, uniforms, towels, and more. This washable label material is REACH, ROHS, CPC, and CA65 certified. Great K2, your trusted supplier of washable apparel label materials.